COVID norms were violated at a road show by Tamil Nadu BJP President Annamalai in Coimbatore. Several people, including the Tamil Nadu BJP chief, were spotted without wearing a mask. Hundreds had gathered at that location. No social distancing maintained. There is no permission for any political gathering in the state as of now because of COVID restrictions. So how is it then such a gathering was allowed to happen? Let's go across to Mugilan to find out more about this. Mugilan, this is a gathering that included the Tamil Nadu BJP chief. Was he not aware of the restrictions that are in place with regards to political gatherings?
Recently, the BJP High Command appointed ex-IPS officer Annamalai as state president, and following that, it was scheduled for him to reach Chennai on 16th. But the Tamil Nadu state unit here, the General Secretary, issued a statement to all the district units stating that there should be a grand celebration, a grand welcome that should be given to the new state president Annamalai, and in line with that, today the roadshow has started from Coimbatore, and as you rightly said, as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, there is no permission for any social or cultural or political gatherings. But now we are seeing more than hundreds of BJP cadres gathered in a public place for a grand celebration of appointing Annamalai as the Tamil Nadu BJP president, and he has started his roadshow also, and we can expect this to continue in almost all the districts because he will be traveling across several districts, and he will be reaching Chennai on 16th. So wherever, in whichever districts he crossed, the same kind of celebration has been asked to given by the district unit. So we have to wait and watch how the government will react to it. But we spoke with the Coimbatore City Commissioner also. He also have confirmed that there is no permission given for any political gathering to any political parties, but we are seeing the Tamil Nadu BJP having a gala celebration when the restrictions are in place, and the visuals also you can see there will be all the social COVID guidelines, including the physical distancing or wearing of masks, has been completely violated.
All right, thanks for joining us, Mugilan. Yes, the pictures are speaking louder than words at the moment on how the violations are happening right, left and center. And what is worse is that political leaders are responsible often enough for these gatherings.